Temu got me again. You want to see what's in this bag? Stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me and Chloe's off doing Chloe things. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We hope you decide to stay. It's free to subscribe, so hey, why not? And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I have been wanting something for a while, and I figured at a Temu price I could probably splurge a little bit. So I've got a little bit of a designer dude bag, I guess. I don't even know if these are designer. I have no idea. But I've been seeing these bags everywhere. There's a couple other things in here. So I did get the large because I figured this would be good for the pool. And we could put all kinds of things in here. We do have tons of pool bags, but I find that we end up using like 2 bags because we can't put everything in them. So here's the straps, and here's some little things to, I guess, pop them in with. Let's see how that works. After much struggle, I got the headers on. Alright, so there is the size of the bag. Then I got this little set in pink, kind of make it look fun. So we have the little phone holder, which I'm going to pop inside. And they go in just like getting a gibbet into some Crocs, which, as we know, can be difficult. Next, we have some little hangers so that you can hang things right off of your bag. And then we also have these hangers. Oops. Right, so you can put your keys in there. And you can put these on the inside. Yeah, I would put it on the inside. Obviously, I'm going to put my keys on there. And we have this interior pocket slots here. I don't see any holes to secure it. Then there's a lot more of these, which I would have thought would have been to lock that interior into place, but it doesn't seem to have that purpose. Or maybe I'm missing something because I don't see any holes. And I would like to see something kind of lock this into place inside of here. But I'll have to look and see what it says in the order. But we've got a little something there. There are little holders here. Inside, we've got a key this way. And the phone holder, which, I gotta be honest, my phone's not gonna fit in there, but my mom's probably will. So, and then you can like take your Croc gibbets, I would think, and just pop them in here too, just to make it cute. And they did sell other ones as well. Next, for Chloe. How cute is that? Seems pretty heavy duty. There is a straw that comes with it. Just like the Stanley, fraction of the cost. And then also for Chloe, these little shark slip-ons, but they glow in the dark. Kind of small for her though. But this did say it was a women's 9. So hopefully it fits her. Alright, well, let me know your thoughts. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.